Attention people with bad credit. The following is a message for every person with bad credit who needs to fix their credit but can't find the right information. Hi, my name is Reggie DUMAS, and here's the truth you need to know about fixing your credit. In fact, here's the biggest problem you face right now. It's the credit bureaus. But that's not the end of the problem. It actually gets worse. Why? Because they don't care if your credit goes up or down, they just report it, which means you have to Google your way to find good credit and finding outdated information. And worst of all, most people with bad credit can't get past the idea that repairing your credit is hard. But luckily for you, there's now a solution to your problem. So if you're a person with bad credit who really needs to fix their credit but can't find the right information, here's the solution you've been looking for. Introducing Good Credit Cheat Code System. Good Credit Cheat Code System helps you clean your credit report in 14 to 90 days. Leverage the golden letter to remove any negative, inaccurate item. Build a solid credit report that meets funding requirements. Get approved for a $5,000 loan, even if you have bad credit. Start getting approved for the stuff you want and stop getting denied the credit you need, and much, much more. And best of all, you'll start seeing results with Good Credit Cheat Code System in 90 days, and it costs only $97. So again, if you're ready to experience the power of good credit and a stress-free financial life, understand this. You need a way to skyrocket your credit score. You don't need a credit repair company. You will now have the power to fix your credit and live the life you deserve. Success loves speed, and if you want good credit, then Good Credit Cheat Code System makes it simple and easy to achieve this. Act now before it's too late. Get on board with Good Credit Cheat Code System right now. Take action, order, claim your copy today, right now.